What's up guys, it's Metro60 here with another layout update. As you can see, I got a lot of new equipment, including a new steam locomotive and a few more rolling stock. Happy New Year and Merry Late Christmas, or Happy whatever other holidays you guys celebrate. So let's get started with the layout update. As you can see, first off, I got a new steam locomotive. It is a 482 for the New York, Ontario, and Western Railroad. It is a very nice model. It's Bachmann Spectrum, and some of the parts are glued on and are like kind of broken off a bit, but it's overall a pretty nice model. Next to it is a Rio Grande Parlor car. It'll be used on the ski train. It is a Wheels of Time model. It's very nice. And then behind the 482 is a Indiana Harbor Boat caboose. It is, I believe, Burford Shops. It's also a very nice model. So yeah, I guess that's all the new equipment. And I'm just going to do a short operating session of the new equipment here. So without further ado, let's get started. First derailment of the day. Honestly, I have no clue how this happened, but yeah. Alright, well, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video, and bye.